Welcome viewers. Today we discuss about organization of life. Biological organization can be divided into following level: subatomic level, molecule level, organelle level, cell level, tissue level, organ and organ system level, organism. There are three types: cellular, organismal, populational level. Cellular organization. Atom is the basic unit which is composed of atomic particles, electron, proton, and neutron. Aggregation atom to molecule, combination of molecule to form macromolecule. Example DNA. The combination of the macromolecules to develop organelles. Organelles performs specific function. Mitochondria has responsible to create energy. Organelles, molecules and macromolecules combine together to form a cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Organismal organization. Organismal organization, first of all, tissue, combination of cells to form tissues. For example, epithelial tissues, muscular tissue, glandular tissues. Combination of tissues to form organ. For example, heart is an organ that pumps the blood. The organ and organ system to develop a organ system. The organ system in plants is very simple as compared to the animal system. Organ systems In organ system, many organs are combined to develop organ system. When the organ system aggregate through a central nervous system to develop an organism. Populational organization. Population is a group of living organisms of the same species located in the same place at the same time. For example, rat population, rice population. Species is the group of individuals that interbreed naturally and produced offspring, fertile offspring. Community, population of a different species, dog, plants, animals, living this same habitat form a community. Communities are the dynamic collection of organisms. Ecosystem. A community together with the non-living surrounding to develop an ecosystem. Biosphere, the part of Earth inhabited by the living organism includes both the living